Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. It has been a while since I've been on the camera, man. It feels kind of weird, but I'm glad to be back. So today's video, I'm going to give you guys a little channel update on why I haven't been posting videos every Wednesday. I've been, working, having a busy schedule, hectic. I'm currently working with some sponsorships to see what we can work out to get some goodies for the car. And then, of course, I'm saving up for a big project for the winter time. So I'm sure most of you guys can guess what that is, but I'm not going to spill the beans just yet because it's not 100% confirmed. So in the meantime, nothing has really changed with the car. It's still completely dirty. I've been so lazy and just so busy. I still need to put my side skirts on, and I found out that my actual front splitter is bent. So I don't know if you can tell from here, but it is bent from the manufacturer. And I waited too long to open the box and stuff because I like to unbox my stuff live for you all so you can see what it's like. And so pretty much that was a waste of money. They're not going to send me a new one because it was too late and they couldn't work out any shipment reimbursements for that with the company. So taking an L on that. I need to just get up under the car and just get that put on. Still need to do the the Type R steering wheel. I really want to do that with a buddy. I know there's a video online on YouTube about that steering wheel, but I've been talking to some local Honda guys that work at the dealership, and you can really mess up your steering if you mess up some kind of clock spring or something and you put it back on wrong. And I don't really want to do that just yet, but it is killing me not having that on my car. So don't worry, I'm still here. I know a lot of people message me and are like, hey, where's your videos at? Where's your video at? Trust me, there's only so much stuff I can do. It's just one car, so I got to get ideas. I want to do aftermarket headlights, aftermarket tail lights. The car's got to get lowered. I want to do front and rear sway bars. I want to do the Mishimoto oil catch can. And yeah, there's just a lot of stuff I want to do. So the next part of this video, I'm going to ask you guys to do me a huge favor and just listen to me for just a second. This next topic that I'm going to talk to you about, it hits home for me, and I don't mean to go all personal with you guys, but I had somebody in the detention community reach out to me, and he got diagnosed with cancer, and I don't take the word cancer very lightly to me. My stepmother, she's a cancer survivor, so I know you're going to be watching this video. I'm glad you were able to pull through and come back, negative on everything, and they were able to successfully remove all the cancer. So, sorry, getting emotional. All right, so Doug reached out to me and was just like, hey, you think you could spread, the word about my cancer in my GoFundMe account? And I was like, absolutely. Not only will I spread it throughout my YouTube channel, but I will spread it on the 10th Gen Civic forums, or not the forums, but our Facebook group. I would really appreciate it if you guys would just go look at his GoFundMe. If you can't donate anything, maybe donate something, $5, $10, $1. Anything you can donate will help, because if you support me, then you'll support him and his journey of becoming cancer free. So I'll put his GoFundMe in the description. And currently it's Doug versus melanoma. That's the kind of cancer he has. He had a mole on his I think it was on his arm. And it started to grow. It got 1 centimeter in size. He just had a beautiful child, and him and his wife are trying to battle through this cancer dilemma. And he just found out that he had cancer. Messaged me on Facebook and was like, hey man, I'm not asking you to donate, but I'm just asking you to share this. Absolutely. I was like, without a doubt, I'm going to share it and I'm going to donate myself. So please, guys, do whatever you can to help out. I'm not saying you have to or not, but yeah, once again, his GoFundMe is going to be in the description of the video. It's going to be the very first link, so go check it out. He's raised $1,650 out of his $10,000 goal, but he's raised $1,600 in the last 4 days by 19 people. So I'm going to share this with you all, and just know that cancer is not something that I take lightly, and I'm going to do what I can to help him out, whether it's me donating and me sharing it. So I'm going to do my part to help you out, Doug. So I know you're going to watch my videos. I know you support my videos. So thank you for supporting my channel. Now let me support you. Let me give back to you in a way that I cannot, cannot physically be there to help you, but I can be there to spread the word and to get your GoFundMe out there, so hopefully raise some more money. Enough of that stuff. So like I said, we do have some things coming in, working with some sponsors. I really want to stockpile a bunch of videos and a bunch of car parts so I can get back on that daily grind or of that weekly grind of videos every single Wednesday at 4 o'clock. You know, there for a while it was super good, and then I went into ALS, and you know, that so busy with that, and everything just kind of fell off. But yeah, like I said, I want to get iBlock front mirror sway bars. There's a video there. Got to throw that Type R steering wheel on. I got to reach out to some people, maybe Fly Ride. I know I've seen their stuff on YouTube before. They do aftermarket headlights. I do want some cool aftermarket headlights that maybe like change colors and the DRLs and stuff like that, and then get some aftermarket tail lights. I think that would be cool too. So I do appreciate all you guys sticking with me through this journey. I know I've kind of been absent a little bit, but as many of you know, if you message me on Facebook or Instagram, I'll reply back as soon as I can and try to help you out with anything I can. Now, some of the questions you guys ask me, I can't help you out with, so I send you to another person that could probably help you out more. And if you're not already a part of the Attention Civic Facebook page, a lot of information that you guys asked me is already covered on there, but I don't mind helping you guys out when I can, because at the end of the day, you guys are the reason why I do my YouTube channel, because you guys support me, and then that gives me a chance to get back to you all, answer your questions and stuff. And it may not be, you know, as soon as you message me or as soon as you comment on a video, but I do my best to get back to every single person. So I do thank you, and I do respect you all for sticking with me on this journey. So yeah, don't worry, the channel is still here. We're still going to make content. Just got to get parts to put on, you know, my car. You know, it's one car. I don't have multiple cars like most car channels have. So I'm working with what I got. I shouldn't say this, but in the future, hopefully in the next year, I have a Type R. And yeah, we're definitely going to have a lot of great content coming from that. So Type R is definitely on the bucket list. I'm going to have one day. It just may not be as soon as I want one. So thank you guys so much for sticking with the channel. And just know I'm still going to be making videos, and I'm still going to be putting out amazing content for you guys. You know, a lot of people tell me that I put good directions and how to install stuff, and just, you know, how to do car stuff on the Tension. So I do appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Once again, the link to the GoFundMe is going to be the very first link in the description. If you can help out any way, I would be greatly appreciative of that. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. Peace.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.